Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about rationalize. Firstly, why we are going to do the rationalize? Rationalize means when there is a rational number, it will be by q form and the denominator having root value. Then we have to finish root as a denominator. Then we are doing rationalizing. Let's do with the example like 1 by under root 2. So we have to solve it. We have to rationalize it because its denominator having root value. For that, what you have to do? You have to multiply with the same number as a numerator and a denominator. So whenever you are going to multiply, it's going to be 2 ones are 2 and under root 2 under root 2. Under root 2 under root 2 that become 4. 4 means 2 multiply 2 that having the two factors. So root is going to finish and your value is this one. So this is our answer. So it's a just single number, then there is a no any difficulty, then simply we can just multiply the same number. But main thing is that whenever there is two terms are there, two terms means like this one, 1 over 7 plus root 5. Like this one number we are having. So now we have to do it. Okay? So as I told you, we have to multiply the same number. But now we are having two terms. So we have to multiply it with the same number but different sign. It means 7 minus under root 5 and 7 minus under root 5. We have to multiply with same number and upper and downside. This one. Why? Because we know that we are not going to change the sum by ourselves. So whenever we want, we can cancel this one, then still same number is left with us. That's why we are going to multiply the same number. Now we can multiply with 1, that means it remains same. And downside it's going to be form a identity. Which one? That is a plus b and a minus b, that equal to a square minus b square. It means it's a 7 square minus under root 5 square. Clear? So it's a 7 minus under root 5, 7 square, that is 49, and square and root is going to be cancelled. So it's a 5. It means 7 minus under root 5 over 44. So this is the required answer. Clear? One more example we are taking, 5 over under root 3 minus under root 5. So as already I told you, we have to multiply with same number but different sign. It means here under root 3 plus under root 5 and under root 3 plus under root 5. Okay? So now this one 5 is going to multiply with both. So it's going to be 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5. Be careful whenever you are going to multiply rational and irrational. Okay? Mean to say this is a without root and this is a root. So always अंडर रूट के बाहर की वैल्यू बाहर से मल्टीप्लाई होगी और रूट के अंदर की वैल्यू अंदर से मल्टीप्लाई होती है. सो 5 इट मीन हेयर इज 1. So that's why 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 over. Now again here is the identity, that is a plus b, a minus b, that equal to a square minus b square. So it's a under root 3 square minus under root 5 square. ठीक है? So root and square cut. So 5 under root 3 plus 5 under root 5 and 3 minus 5. So it's going to be 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 over minus 2. Minus you can shift upside as you want. Clear? Chalo. Now the next level of the sum. Mean to say quite different. So in this one sum they have given 5 plus 2 under root 3 over 7 plus 4 under root 3 equals to a minus b root 3, and we have to find the value of a and b. So what we have to do? Firstly, we have to simplify left hand side. So we are just using left hand side and doing the rationalizing. So 7 minus 4 root 3, 7 minus 4 root 3. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply with 5 with both numbers. So 5 7 are 35 minus 5 4 are 20, 20 root 3. 2 7 are 14, 14 root 3 plus minus minus 4 2 are 8 and under root 3 3. So 8 3 are 24. And downside identity, so 7 square minus 4 under root 3 square. Okay? So 35 minus 24, that is 11. Okay? And minus 20 plus 14, same terms, like terms. So minus 6 root 3. And here is it's a 49, 4 square 16 and under root 3 square, that is 3. 16 is a 48. So it's become 11 minus 6 root 3 over 1. So downside 1, there is a no value of 1 downside. So we can keep it equal to a minus b root 3. And just compare a like terms. So a equal to 11 and minus b root 3 equal to minus 6 root 3. Minus cut, root cut. So b value is 6. This is the answer. Like this we have to solve and find the a and b value. So I hope you all are like it, and then you can press the like button and subscribe my channel.